Hi guys, so I want to show you a couple yoga poses for beginners to help get you guys started. So the first pose I'm going to show you is called a high lunge. So go ahead and just stand up, right leg in front, left leg back. Your right leg is going to be at a 90-degree angle. And go ahead and just hold in your stomach muscles. So once you're here, you're going to raise your arms up and above your head. Arms are parallel. Okay, so once you're here, you can go ahead and just, relax, breathe in. And breathing out. Go ahead and just sink in a little deeper, intensifying that stretch. Breathing in. And breathing out. Good job, you guys. You will feel it in your quads. You'll feel a stretch in your calves. All right, good job, you guys. This is high lunge pose. And so now I'm going to show you extended triangle pose. So just go ahead and keep your legs open at like a triangle angle. And what you're going to do here is your arm that's parallel to the front of your leg, you can go ahead and reach down. You can stop at your shin, you can stop at your ankle, or you can touch the mat as well. I personally like to stop at my ankle, so that's where I'm going to place my hand. Once you're here, you can go ahead and turn your body so that way your hips are facing the front and your chest is also facing the front. And just go ahead and raise your arm up to create a T, a capital T with your arms. And go ahead and breathe in here. And breathing out. Just feeling this pose, however your body is at this moment. Breathing in and breathing out. Good job, you guys. Alright, so I'm going to show you extended side angle pose, keeping your legs at this triangle shape. We're going to go into a lunge once again. So your front leg is at a 90-degree angle, your back leg is straight. Your arm that is parallel to your front leg, you're going to bend over in front of your leg. So go ahead and just bend over, and you can touch your mat with your hand. And then again, turn your body so your hips are going to be facing the front, your chest is facing the front. And then you're going to raise your arm up, but instead of stopping here, you can keep going to a diagonal position. So go ahead and just breathe in here. And breathing out. Good job, you guys. Really feeling that side stretch. Breathing in. And breathing out. Alright, you guys, good job. Okay, so now I'm going to show you bridge pose. I just have to move my camera because you guys know I do not know how to edit, so I just got to move the camera. Okay, so for the bridge pose, you're just going to go ahead and get on your butt and just lay down on your back like this. So once you're laid down, your knees can be up, your feet are on the mat. And for your bridge pose, you're just going to lift your hips up to the sky. So go ahead and just lift your hips up to the sky. Breathing in here. And breathing out. Just feeling your body in this position, feeling your glutes, your hamstrings, breathing in and breathing out. Okay, good job, you guys. And then slowly lower your body down back to the mat. And so the last pose I'm going to show you is called sitting forward fold. So you can extend your legs out in front of you. You can keep your feet pointed or flex your feet, whatever feels comfortable for you. I personally like my toes pointed. Your torso is straight up, holding your stomach muscles in. So then now we're going to raise our arms up and slowly and gently fold forward. Take some deep breaths here. Breathing in and breathing out. Good job, you guys. Feeling your calf muscles, your hamstrings. Breathing in, breathing out. Alright, thank you so much, you guys. Those are just a few yoga poses for beginners. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll definitely see you guys soon. Bye!